Hi, I'm Stacey Hoffman with Sync Design, Build and Manage. So one of the things that we can talk about is how to achieve the same look with use of different materials. And one thing that's nice is with so many of the porcelains these days, they're coming out with patterns that are very similar to a marble, a natural stone marble. Now porcelain is much more durable, obviously. It's a little bit more cost effective in terms of budget. In this case, we've got some different shades of material. These are not exactly the same selections, but you can tell that it's very similar, very close in terms of a natural look to the stone, even though it is porcelain. And with that, you can mix and match porcelains and marbles to achieve the look that you're going for as well. Some of the natural stone options, that obviously marry with marble are a lot of the geometric patterns are big lately, mixing both, natural colors, the stark whites with more of the gray tones, beige tones, even some blue in tone. Again, looking at a comparison between marble, again, different shading of natural stone and natural stone options, and then even looking at a porcelain, again, in a different pattern that compares to a natural stone marble. So they're very, very similar, and in terms of budget, just a much more cost-effective alternative that you can look at.